Guys, right now I am outside my old apartment. That's right, I moved to a house. So what we have to do right now is say goodbye to my old kitchen because it did do me some good. But then I'm gonna show you guys my brand new kitchen and give you a tour. So I have to warn you, there's nothing in this condo right now, so it's gonna be very echoey when I talk. So here we are. Does this kitchen look familiar? My old set, guys, my old set. Looks a little dirty, but that's just because we lived here. Bye-bye sink. Bye-bye countertop where I made some delicious food. Bye refrigerator that kept all of the delicious food that I made nice and cold. Bye-bye oven. You roasted so many great pieces of salmon. And microwave. You warmed up leftovers like a fucking champion. I'm not sure if you guys ever saw my pantry before, but it was freaking huge. There's lots of food in here, and now it's just dirty. Yes, it needs a clean job, that is for sure, but that's not my job. Ha ha! Bye pantry, you kicked ass. And that's it, guys. This was my kitchen. But now it's on to the new one. Okay guys, are you ready to see my kitchen? It's right back there. You can kind of see it, but I'm about to give you the lowdown. So we just moved into this house yesterday, and here is the kitchen. This was a huge disaster yesterday. Everything was in boxes and papers, and it was just literally like a tornado hit. But this is it. I cleaned it up, and it's frickin' perfect. This is the new set of GiGi Eats Celebrities. So, let's start over here with this frickin' ginormous fridge. Doesn't look anything like my apartment fridge, am I right? This freezer is just ginormous. Hello. Hey look, there's Wink. And then we have this huge refrigerator that literally we will never be able to fill. And then all of these things on the side. I'm so excited. And then we have just lots of cabinets. And guess what, guys? Most of them are full of my crap. And check out this sexy oven. Super freaking sexy, are you kidding me? Hot damn. This is the coolest part. Shabam! Hello. That's pretty freaking cool. Wolf did a really good job. Oh, and look, let's make pancakes. Clearly the previous owners did that. And look, a pasta pot filler. Not that I eat pasta, but you know, I do eat chickpea pasta, so this could be helpful. And then huge hood, because why not? Look at this, my huge sink, which has a beautiful view of our outside patio and pool. Oh, and by the way, we have a grill area over there, so a GiGi Eats Celebrity set will also be outside. Ooh, let me show you outside. Check it out, sec machine. On top of that, we also have this dishwasher right here, this microwave, this wine fridge, and oh, hold the phone, because you know, really lazy about cleaning dishes. This dishwasher too, and Landon brought his tits. I mean, what's a kitchen without boobs, right? Oh, and here's some food. And that's the kitchen, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and you'll be seeing a lot more of this kitchen on my YouTube channel. I'm thinking this angle. I'll be standing right there where the pasta filler is. What do you think? Holy crap, I just found out something really cool about this oven. First of all, I apologize for the dust, but if I want to bake something, turn on bake, and then it pops up on the fucking nozzle. And then I go like this when I want to make it colder, and this when I want to make it hotter. Let's be real, guys, I want to make it hot. That's so freaking cool.